Hello children. So today we are going to start velocity time graph or speed time graph. Okay. Now don't get confused. If I say velocity time graph or if I say speed time graph, velocity can be speed, but speed can't be velocity. Velocity means what? Speed in certain direction. Now here you see same thing as previous class. This is x-axis. This one is y-axis. Now time in second and velocity in meter per second. Now this is velocity, speed. This axis is speed and this axis is for time. Now you see in 2 seconds speed is what? 40 meter per second. In 4 seconds speed is 40 meter per second. In 6 seconds speed is what? 40 meter per second. Means your speed is constantly moving 40 meter per second, not changing, isn't it? In this case, here, in this case, what can you say? Velocity is what? Constant. When velocity is constant, acceleration will be what? 0. There is no changing in the acceleration. Children, just I have told you, that in my previous class I have told you, slope of dt graph indicates what? Speed. But now, in case of bt graph, slope of bt graph indicates what? Acceleration. Okay, slope, you know, slope, this one is slope. Okay, this is theta. So tan theta equal to what? Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base. Okay. Now here you see, in this case, slope is what? 0. There is no slope. This one, this line is not something like this. Slope is 0. Acceleration is what? 0. Velocity is what? Constant. Now you see, here acceleration is 0. I can explain in another way also. I have told you acceleration means what? P minus u by what? T. Now here you see, from this diagram, what is the starting velocity? U. Starting velocity is what? 40. And V is the final velocity. Final velocity is what? 6 seconds. Again 40. See this one 40. This one is 40. So final velocity 40. Initial velocity 40. And time is how much? 6 seconds. So 40 minus 40 is 0. 0 by 6. 0. Isn't it? So we have got slope equal to 0. Acceleration equal to 0. And velocity is constant. And slope of bt graph indicates what? Acceleration. One more concept in bt graph is that area under bt graph indicates what? Distance traveled. Area under bt graph indicates what? Distance traveled. Now if I ask you, calculate the distance traveled, okay, by the object or by the car, so up to say 6 seconds. And this is the area. See, this is the area. So this figure is something like what? Rectangle, isn't it? So what I have written, area under bt graph indicates what? Distance traveled. So in this, from this graph, if I ask you what is the distance will be now area of what? Rectangle. Now area of rectangle is what? Length into breadth. Length into breadth. So what is the length here? Say this one, how much? 6. And if I consider this one breadth, so what is the breadth? 40. So 6 into 40, how much? 240 meter. Distance travel is what? 240 meter. Isn't it? There are 4 situations are there. This is first case. 3 more cases I have to explain. Now case 2. Case 2, see again OB. This one is x-axis and this one is y-axis. Time and velocity. Now you see here 2 seconds 20 meter per second, 4 40 meter per second, 6 60 meter per second. So what we have seen, that is what speed is what velocity is what increasing with time. Velocity is increasing equally with respect to what time. That is velocity is changing, continuously changing. So rate of change of velocity, you know what? Acceleration. So that's why significance of the graph, uniform acceleration. Okay? Uniform acceleration, why? The velocity is changing equally with respect to velocity is changing equally with respect to time. But initial velocity is not changing. Initial velocity equal to what? Sorry, initial velocity is equal to what? 0. Starting velocity is what? 0. Okay, uniform acceleration and starting velocity is what? 0. Isn't it? Next, previous concept, slope equal to tan theta. Tan theta equal to what? Perpendicular by base. So here perpendicular is what? AB and base is what? OB. So perpendicular AB is nothing but what? Velocity. Changing velocity. And this axis is what? Time. So you know changing velocity divided by time equal to what? Acceleration. Okay? Listen children, you have to continuously, you have to study continuously all the topics what we have taught earlier. You have to go through the topics, otherwise you will get confused. See, already I have given you the formula. Rate of change of velocity is acceleration. So change in velocity by time is acceleration. So what we have concluded, that is what? Slope under BT graph indicates what? Acceleration. Already I have written slope under BT graph indicates acceleration. So here acceleration we have got. If I ask you acceleration under OA, so you write changing velocity is what? This velocity is what? 60, and this one is what? 6. 60 by 6, 10. Perpendicular is 60, base is 6, 10. You can calculate in other way also. I have told you acceleration is what? V minus q by t. So what is the final velocity here? This is the final position. Final velocity is what? 60. Velocity is 60. The starting velocity, initial velocity is what? 0. I have written 0. Time is what? 6 seconds. I have written 6 seconds. Again same answer. You can apply this formula also. You can apply this one also. And already I have told you in my previous graph, this is case 1. Area under BT graph indicates what? Distance table. If I ask you distance table under OA, so this is the distance table, this portion. This portion is what? Nothing but a triangle. The distance covered equal to what? Area triangle AOB. That is what? Half base into height. Base into height. Base is what? 6. Height is what? 60. 2 3 are 6. 180 meter. Okay. Now see case 3. Case 3. Third graph. Just observe that. Here in this graph you see again time, this is velocity, and again what? Velocity is increasing, but in this situation starting velocity was 40, initial velocity was 40. Same graph as previous, just here you have to write, that is what? Uniform significance, significance of the graph, significance, these are. Or you can say, we may ask you a question, what are the informations you are getting from the graph? Uniform acceleration. Previously also uniform acceleration. But the defined thing is what? Initial velocity not equal to 0. Starting velocity is not 0. Previously what? Initial velocity is 0. Isn't it? Next is what? If I ask you regarding acceleration, what is the value for acceleration here? Acceleration equal to what? If you consider this portion, if you consider this portion means this line, just if you consider this portion, this triangular portion, so acceleration equal to what? Tan theta, perpendicular by base. What is perpendicular here? BC. What is base here? AC. Now children, what is the value of BC now? This is 80 and this is 40. 80 minus 40, how much? 40. And time is what? AC? 8. 5 meter per second square. Here the information only is for uniform acceleration, but initial velocity not equal to what? 0. Acceleration per meter per second square, that is positive acceleration. Okay, positive acceleration. And if I ask you distance travel here, distance travel, because you know area under dt graph indicates what? Distance travel. The distance travel, there are two options you can find out distance travel. One is what? Area of the triangle plus area of the rectangle. You have to find out the area of this, then area of this. After that you add it, you get the, that is what? Area under this full portion. You have to find out distance travel. Or simply you can find out this figure is something like what? A trapezium. So simply in shortcut you can say distance travel equal to what? Area trapezium. Name of the trapezium OAB. Say this is X, this point is say D. Okay, so OAB D. Now children, you know area of the trapezium, half base 1 base 2 into height. Okay, so area trapezium is what? OABD. Okay, here I have written D, let it be D dash. Okay, let it be D dash. Or you can write according to E also, I have not said any number. Now half, what is base 1? You can assume base 1 is OA. Base 2 is what? BD. And height, obviously height is 1 because perpendicular 90 degree. So height is what? 40. Okay? I am writing here right side. So half, what is the value of OA? See, OA value, how much? 40. And BD value, how much? 80. What is the height? Height is 8. So half into 120 into 8. To fold the 8, it is 480 meter. Distance is 480 meter. Okay? Then the last case, this one. So here again y is velocity and time, because we are in velocity time graph. First you observe the graph. Okay, you see velocity time. Your father driving your car. Your father driving his car. Speed is increasing. On the highway, moving with 120 km per hour, car is moving, constant velocity, isn't it? And suppose you are moving from Guwahati to Tezpur you are going. So this one is, your speed is increasing, already have done. On the highway, the car is moving with 120 km per hour. And when you are approaching to the station, your speed continuously decreasing, and ultimately you have reached your destination. You apply brake and the car stops. See, this one we have discussed, this one we have discussed, and now we are this graph. Okay? See this one. This one is what? Uniform acceleration. Is it positive or negative? Negative acceleration. Uniform acceleration but negative acceleration. But better to say uniform retardation. Retardation. Retardation means negative acceleration. Okay? Negative acceleration. If I ask you, what about acceleration here? Value of retardation, that is value of what? Retardation, you can say acceleration only. Acceleration. Formula is what? V minus u by t. Okay. So v minus u by t. So what is v? Final velocity is what? 0. Uniform retardation, that is negative acceleration, but final velocity equal to what? 0. Final velocity is 0. See, this is the final. Here you have reached your destination. Final velocity is 0. But starting velocity is what? 80. See, from here I have started 80. And this one is what? 246. Say 6. Now minus 80 by 6. Okay? 40, and this is what? 3. Okay? So almost minus 13.33 meter per second square. Okay, acceleration. You can use the concept of slope also. I have told you acceleration means what? Slope. A slope means what? Perpendicular by base. So what is the perpendicular here? 80. And what is the time here? 6. But here you will not get negative sign. You have to write, because it is decreasing now. That's why you write minus. This is the reason why I have shown you earlier, that is b minus u by t. In this case, I have shown you b minus u by t, so that you not get confused. That is y minus. Okay, 0 minus 80. And here is the same thing I am applying. Or slope equal to p by b. P by b is what? 80 by 6. That is what? 13.33. But we are not getting minus sign. The minus sign you have to see from the graph you observe, because it is decreasing. You write what? Minus. And if you need the proof why minus, so this is the proof. Understood? And again, my last concept is what? What is the distance table here? If I ask you distance table, so area under VT graph is what? Distance. Area under VT graph is what? Distance. So distance is what? Area triangle AOB. Half base is what? Say OA, and height is what? OB. So half, this is 6. This is what? How much? 80. So 2 3 is 6. Answer is 240 meter. That's all about BT graph. That's all about BT graph. Okay, DT graph also completed, BT graph also completed, and same graph I have shown you some small numericals also. Okay, so you just go through it, all the topics, all the graphs. If you have any problem, you ask me, and I will give you the same notes, same Xerox copy of, okay, whatever I have taught right now, you will get. Okay, and if any problem, don't get any kind of hesitation. Okay, and next class we are going to start some numericals, and after that again graph. Graph is a long journey. Okay, long journey graph. Stop. Thank you.